Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French fries. First, choose 2 to 3 large russet potatoes. Peel them, then cut them into uniform sticks, about 1/4 inch thick. This consistent size ensures even cooking. Next, place the cut potatoes into a bowl of cold water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. This step removes excess starch, which is key for achieving that perfect crispy exterior. Now, let's get ready for the first fry. Heat about 4 to 5 cups of a neutral oil, like peanut or canola, in a heavy-bottomed pot to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add your potato sticks in small batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are soft and slightly pale. Remove them with a slotted spoon and let them drain on a wire rack. For that ultimate crispiness, it's time for the second fry. Increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the partially cooked fries to the hot oil, again in small batches. Fry them for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and perfectly crispy. As soon as they come out of the oil, transfer them to a bowl and season generously with salt and pepper while they are still hot. This helps the seasoning stick. Your delicious homemade French fries are now ready to be served. Enjoy them immediately while they are hot and crispy. They pair wonderfully with ketchup, mayonnaise, or any of your favorite dipping sauces. For more kitchen tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen spotless after all that frying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.